Hello, my people. Good to have you here. My name remains Seyi Adeleke, the CEO of Apple Technology, and I'm using this time to personally invite you to my forthcoming webinar where I'll be showing you live the 2019 brand new e-com opportunity. Yes, the 2019 brand new e-com opportunity. Normally, if you want to run a successful and profitable e-com business, there are 8 things you need to put in place. The first one is that you need to do a product research. Yes, you need to make a research about the product you want to import. So you can be rest assured it's going to be a fast selling product, a hot selling product, and not the one that will tie down your money. That's the first thing, product research. The second thing is the supplier's link. You need to get the supplier, the manufacturer, the person that will sell the product to you at a very, very cheap price, at the price that will help you, that will allow you to also make your own personal profit. That's the second thing. The third thing is the ad copy. You need to write a convincing ad copy to promote your product online, to tell your buyers, your potential buyers, that the product is going to work for them. All right? For instance, now, if you want to actually promote a stretch mark cream now, you need to write an ad copy for that. All right? Also, you need the ad image. That's the image you will use to promote your products. And also, this same image is the one you will put on your sales page. Okay? Additionally, you need to create a video. For every product you want to sell online, you will need to create a video for it. And the purpose of this video is to use it to run an advert online. So you will use the video to run an advert, and also it will be on your sales page. So video is compulsory. But the thing is that creating a video is super expensive, and it also requires a complex tools. All right? Additionally, you will need the price markup. Okay? You will need the price markup and the Facebook targeting. You will need to craft out the audience, the right audience that will be interested in your product. Because if you target the wrong audience, you will end up losing money. Nobody will buy the product because the product is not related to them. Okay? And the last thing you will need is the review. You need to check the seller's review, okay, to check what people are saying about this seller before you even make payments, so you can know whether this seller is a reliable one or not. All right, these are the 8 things you need to run a successful and profitable e-com business. But the thing is that all these are complex and they are time consuming, and this is the main reason why a lot of people are failing with e-commerce, because sometimes it could take you days, weeks, and months. Okay, but right now the game is about to change. There is a software that will do all this for you, and all you need to do is just log into this software once in a day and copy out the whole thing. Yes, the software will give you the hot products, the daily hot products you can sell, the product with huge profit margin, the daily trending products. Okay, also this same software will give you the supplier's link, that's the manufacturer's link, the producer link, the people that will sell these products to you at a very, very cheap price. The software will also help you to write ad copy. You will need to rack your brain and think over and over. The software will write a convincing ad copy for you. The software will generate the ad images for you, the images you can use to promote your products. Additionally, the software will give you the video for each product. Okay? So all you need to do is just to copy the video and paste your own sales page. You will need to create a video yourself. You will need to spend hours and days creating a video. The software will do everything for you. The software will give you the price markup. Yes, the price markup. And we also give you the Facebook audience, the exact audience that will need the product you want to sell, the exact audience that will want to buy the product from you, not the wrong audience. Right? That's the Facebook targeting. The software will give you the Facebook targeting, and we also show the buyer's review. This is literally done for you. Just log into the system, copy it, and paste it to your own system that I'll be showing you live at the webinar. Honestly, this is what you need at the moment. And myself, I've been using this same software for the past 75 days, and the result is amazing. I've made over 24 million naira using this same software. And I'll be showing you to how you can get started with this software. I will show you the live demo. Okay, all you have to do right now is just to enter your details at the form below this video to reserve your slots. But you have to be fast with this because I'm going to limit this webinar to just few people. Not everybody will have access to this. So be fast about this. Go ahead and register now to save your slot. Thank you so much for watching. See you at the webinar. Bye.